In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Cal with GoHighLevel. We're connecting Cal.com, a powerful scheduling tool, to your GoHighLevel account so appointments flow smoothly into your CRM. This integration helps you centralize bookings, keep contacts up to date, and trigger automations based on new meetings. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into the correct GoHighLevel location and that you either have a Cal.com account or are ready to sign in with Google. Also, keep pop-ups enabled in your browser so the authorization window can open. Start inside your GoHighLevel dashboard. Confirm you're in the right location where you want the integration active. From there, open Settings. You'll find it in the main navigation. It's the place where account-level connections and configurations live. Going through Settings ensures the integration applies to the right team and calendars. Inside Settings, open the Integrations section. This page lists native connections supported by GoHighLevel. Look for the option labeled Cal.com. It may appear alongside other scheduling and communication tools. When you open it, you'll see a brief description of what the connection does and a button to proceed. Click Connect. GoHighLevel will launch a new window to securely authorize access. If the window doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow pop-ups for this site, then try again. The authorization screen will guide you through linking your scheduling account to your CRM. When prompted to sign in, it's best to choose Sign In with Google. This route is faster, reduces password and login issues, and helps ensure your calendar permissions are set correctly. Select the Google account that's tied to your Cal.com profile and the calendars you actually use for booking. Carefully review the requested permissions and approve them so Cal.com can sync availability and send booking details back to GoHighLevel. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method ready. After authorizing, return to GoHighLevel and look for a confirmation that shows the connection is active. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page. Double-check that you connected the intended Cal.com workspace, especially if you manage multiple brands or teams. If something seems off, disconnect and reconnect, making sure you pick the correct Google account and allow all required permissions. As a best practice, create a quick test booking from your usual Cal.com link and confirm the appointment appears in GoHighLevel as expected. That's all it takes to integrate Cal with GoHighLevel and keep your scheduling and CRM perfectly in sync.